Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, your. This is a body part. Correct. Number two, the bridge is not short. It is. Yeah, that's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob's knee is painful. Bob's knee is painful. Knee. We don't pronounce the K. His knee does not feel good. Now we can make a flashcard for knee. Please write knee up here in the top left corner. K-N-E-E. Down here in the bottom left corner, B-D-Y-1. This means body, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 15 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Knee. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer's hair is long. Jennifer's hair is long. Long. She has very much hair. It is not short. Now we can make a flashcard for long. We use tall and short for people, buildings, and trees. We use long and short for these words. Please make a card like this. Write B long up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, you can see the code. A1 we are learning now. Adjective, level 1. And over in this corner, the number 50 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Long. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned your knees. Yes, we don't pronounce the K. Correct. Number two, the bridge is not short. It is very long. What about you? Do you have long hair or short hair? Let me know in the comments. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number one is an activity, an exercise. Yoga. Correct. Jennifer does yoga every morning. Number two, my skin is itchy. Yes, it's painful and you want to scratch it. And nowadays, yes, to do something nowadays is similar to now. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. If you are new, welcome! Nice to see you. We learn 2 words every day and put them on paper flashcards. Please write your language on the other side of the card. This is a complete 2-year course with a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.